New car prices out of control? From materials to technology, let's explore why you're paying more in 2024. The first reason is pretty straightforward: the cost of materials. Since the pandemic, the prices of raw materials needed to manufacture cars have increased significantly. Steel, aluminum, plastics, all these essential components now cost more, and this increase is reflected in the final price of the car. Manufacturers have no choice but to pass these costs on to consumers, which is why you're seeing higher price tags on new vehicles. For example, in recent news, steel prices have surged by nearly 50% over the past 2 years. This is largely due to supply chain disruptions and increased demand as industries rebound from the pandemic. Aluminum, another crucial material for car manufacturing, has also seen a significant price hike, contributing to the overall increase in production costs. Next up is the impact of government emission regulations. In recent years, emission standards have become much stricter. Car manufacturers are in a constant race to meet these new requirements, which means developing new technologies and redesigning engines. For example, you've probably noticed the decline of V8 engines and the rise of more efficient 4-cylinder engines with turbochargers. While these changes are crucial for protecting the environment, they come with hefty R&D costs. Car companies need to recoup these expenses, and unfortunately, that means higher prices for consumers. A recent example is the European Union's new Euro 7 emission standards, set to take effect in 2025. These regulations are pushing car manufacturers to develop cleaner and more efficient engines at a rapid pace. Companies like Volkswagen and BMW have already announced significant investments in research and development to meet these stringent requirements, which inevitably leads to higher prices for consumers. Another major factor is consumer demand for advanced technology. Modern drivers expect their cars to be packed with features from advanced safety systems to high-end infotainment options. Compared to cars from 10, 15 years ago, today's vehicles are like supercomputers on wheels. All these additional features and technology come at a cost. Remember the days when power windows and air conditioning were considered luxuries? Now, they're standard, along with countless other tech features. For instance, Tesla has set a high bar for in-car technology with its autopilot system and over-the-air software updates. This has influenced consumer expectations across the board, with buyers now expecting similar advanced features even in non-luxury brands. As a result, traditional car manufacturers are investing heavily in technology to keep up, which drives up costs. Let's take a step back and compare modern cars to those from the past. Even an average car today offers more power, better stability, and advanced features than luxury cars from a decade ago. This incredible leap in technology and performance naturally leads to higher production costs, which are passed on to buyers. We've essentially raised the baseline of what we expect in a vehicle. Think about a 2010 Toyota Camry compared to a 2024 model. The new Camry comes with a suite of advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, features that were either optional or unavailable a decade ago. This shift towards higher baseline expectations means that even entry-level cars are now more expensive to produce. The combined effect of these factors is making new cars less affordable. As a result, more people are turning to the used car market, driving up those prices as well. It's a ripple effect. As new cars become more expensive, so do used cars, making it challenging for many to afford any car at all. According to recent reports, used car prices have surged by over 30% in the past year alone. This spike is partly due to the shortage of new cars caused by semiconductor chip shortages and other supply chain issues. With fewer new cars available, demand for used cars has skyrocketed, leading to higher prices. So, what can we do about these rising car prices? While we can't control raw material costs or emission regulations, we can reconsider our demands for technology in cars. Ask yourself, do you really need all the latest gizmos and gadgets? By advocating for more basic models with fewer unnecessary features, we can encourage manufacturers to produce more affordable options. Additionally, speaking up about these issues can help bring awareness and potentially influence industry trends. Another step is to support policies and initiatives aimed at reducing production costs and stabilizing material prices. For example, initiatives to boost domestic production of key materials and components could help mitigate some of the supply chain challenges driving up costs. The rise in new car prices in 2024 is due to a combination of factors, from increased material costs to stricter emission regulations and higher consumer demands. While some of these are unavoidable, we can make a difference by reconsidering our expectations and advocating for simpler, more affordable vehicles. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the automotive industry. And be sure to check out our other videos. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and keep you, and have yourself a wonderful day.